Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to allow downloads from other PC in Windows 10. To enable this option, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Here you need to open Update, Security, Windows Update Recovery and Backup settings, and then from the left panel you need to select Delivery Optimization. Here you can find this one option, Allow downloads from other PCs. Remember that if you turn this on, your PC may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network or on the internet. So if you want to enable this option, you need to click here, and after that this option will be successfully enabled, and here you can check one from two available options. First one is PCs on my local network, and second one is PCs on my local network and PCs on the internet. Which one you choose depends on your preferences. Today I need only to select this one option, so it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check links in description.